How to transfer data between Google accounts. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first launch your Chrome and then go to mail.google.com. Simply open your Gmail. After that, over here you will see a settings option. Tap on it. Then go to see all settings. After that, go to accounts and imports. Then you will see an option of import mail and contacts. Simply tap on it. It will load this interface. After that, all you have to do is enter the account from which you want to import data from and then simply tap on continue. After that, it will ask you a bunch of questions or data that you want to import. Let me show you. First, I entered a Gmail account and then after it finishes checking, it will lead to this interface and simply continue, and from there you will be able to export or import data from